Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep Compass has to offer. Now this Trailhawk model does offer tons of great features, also great off-roading and 4x4 capabilities. As we come around towards back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, your rear park sensor, so you can see your sensors across that back bumper. Power liftgate also equipped there as well. Taking a peek at the cargo area in the back, you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. Again, just that power liftgate option. Checking out some of the features inside. So in that back seat, you can get 3 passengers quite comfortably back there. Floor mats included both front and back, so great little accessory for you there. USB port hookups in the back. Seats themselves are a leather seat with those cloth inserts, so are very comfortable for you and your passengers. They are also in good condition across the unit. That second row also does fold down when those seats aren't needed to give you a little bit of added cargo space. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. Of course, access to all of your audio media controls, some of your apps and settings, Bluetooth capabilities. Again, just some of your settings in through there. Climate control options also accessible in through your touchscreen. So you do have dual climate control, as you can see there. Just below your screen, again, access to all your basic audio media controls, climate control options, USB port hookups just below that. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Remote start is equipped, as you can see right there. Push button start just in behind. Steering wheel mounted controls, so cruise control options in on that right hand side. Audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. All of your Bluetooth capabilities just in on that left hand side. Power windows, locks, side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Jeep does have 92,626 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.